So guys, I will show you viral new AI apps called REZONA AI game maker. It's alternative to AEP, to Sekai. These apps right now are going viral. Right now, there are probably like four main apps in this category. This is a new AI category. The thing is, what you do in here, you create games yourself just with prompts. So in this app, you just enter in a prompt like, create me this game. I want to have these features. I want this racing game, shooting game, whatever. And it literally uses AI and creates a mini game for you. And then people instantly play it and give you feedback. And it's kind of like Instagram. So instead of posting photos or videos, you just posting your small interactive games and experiences, and people like them and comment on them. So kind of a new social media in that age of AI. And then you can just scroll it. So this is kind of stuff. Okay, so now I need to, and then so you see the idea. This is completely the game which you can create like in 20 seconds just by entering a prompt, and then that's basically what it is. So that's kind of the idea. So you just tap plus and then create the game. Create your own game. You see templates, space, and then you can see your account. You can see what your draft box. You can see what you played. Settings, delete account. There are no like referral codes, nothing. But then you can see trending games, top creators, top games, top rising games. So yeah, and you see now some popular creators joining this app, and basically so basically just creating their own presence in here. So it can be an interesting opportunity for you to collect some followers. That's basically what it is. So yeah, now you have it in here, and you can just download it by Stratower Ltd. It's in top charts, getting some nice reviews. Even if you're not technical, it's super easy for you to get started. So there you have it.